Hello guys, good morning. We have another two finished product na naman ng natapos natin. Yung isa ay 3 piece at yung isa naman ay single piece. Itong 3 piece ay 4 poles, tapos yung connection na ay series delta, series Y, 440 volts. Tapos yung terminal niya is 6 leads out. At ito naman yung single piece. Ito ay gamit sa pressure wash. So, maya-maya i-assemble natin to. After natin i-assemble is deliver natin para magkapira tayo guys. So, by the way, please subscribe and follow my YouTube.